This is special dictation for Rico stenographer. Ready? Start. This is in reference to your advertisement with regards to inviting publishers to submit copies of their latest publication of the year 2013 for selection and consideration to purchase. Stop. In this context, we have to submit that we are distributor for our principals Messrs National Publishing House Jaipur. Stop. We are submitting 7 titles published by them for selection and your kind consideration to purchase under the scheme. Stop. The list of the books in duplicate is being sent herewith, and a copy of the same has also been kept in the book packet for your ready reference. Stop. An authorization letter regarding submission of books issued by our principals is also being sent herewith for your kind information. Stop. We hope that the books sent by us you will find quite beneficial for the students, general readers, and recommend them for purchase and oblige. Stop. We shall supply the books as per your terms and conditions. We invite your kind attention to our bill number JN483 dated 3/4/2009 for rupees 15,525, with which we had supplied general books of our publication on sale and return basis. Stop. Since then, we have neither received any unsold stocks returned by you nor have you sent us payment of this bill. Stop. The matter has received any unsold stocks returned by you nor have you sent us payment of this bill. Stop. The matter has already been brought to your notice in the past as well, and regret to say that you have not yet sent this payment till now. Stop. We are again sending herewith you detailed sent of account and request you to kindly look into the matter and send our due payment immediately on the receipt of this letter. Stop. You will kindly appreciate that our payment has now become long overdue and as such should be paid without any further delay. Stop. You may also deposit this amount in HDFC Bank in our account as per the account number in title seal stamped here under. Stop. We shall be highly grateful to you for your kind cooperation. Stop. This is in reference to your advertisement released on the subject cited above. Stop. We are pleased to inform that we are distributors for our publisher Messrs National Publishing House Jaipur, and we are sending one copy each of their 9 latest publications through our representative for selection and your kind consideration to purchase under the scheme. Stop. A copy of the list of books sent is enclosed herewith in duplicate for your ready reference, and a copy of the same has also been kept in the book packet. Stop. We are prepared to allow commission as per the rates prescribed by RRR LF Kolkata. Stop. Your other terms and conditions regarding purchase would also be acceptable to us. Stop. An authorization letter from our publisher Messrs National Publishing House Jaipur is also being sent herewith for your kind information. Stop. We are in receipt of the consignment of 38 unsold titles returned by you via your debit note number DN254 dated 27/6/2014. Stop. We have since received the consignment and raised our credit note number C014 for rupees 10,685 and a copy of the same is being sent herewith. Stop. We are also sending herewith your up-to-date statement of account, and you will kindly observe therein that a sum of rupees 14,134 has remained due towards your after adjusting the amount of our above noted credit note. Stop. We request you to kindly arrange to send us your check for this amount at the earliest and oblige. Stop. You may also deposit this amount in our HDFC Bank account as per the bank account particulars seal stamped here under. Stop. This is in reference to our telephonic talks which we had with you a few days back. Stop. You had very kindly informed that the proofs of your book under publication wizard alienation and affirmation. Stop. The plays of O'Neill, Miller and Williams were retained by you as its agreement was not sent by us. Stop. We are enclosing here with our agreement for this book in duplicate and request you to kindly return one copy of the same duly signed by you for our records. Stop. Kindly also arrange to send the checked proofs of the book. Stop. You had also suggested to let you know the topics on which you may prepare MSSs for the next book. Stop. In this context, we have to say that the topics are to be decided by you as we are not aware of the fields of your specialization. Stop. You may kindly inform us the topic on which you may prepare the book and then we shall let you know about our decision. Stop. We thank you for your letter number 109 dated 26/5/2012 on the subject cited above. Stop. We are in a position to supply latest publications of all the renowned publishers. Stop. We shall allow 20% discount on all your purchases from us during the session 2012-13. Stop. The books will be supplied on FOR Pilani basis. Stop. We hope that you will find our discount rates attractive and most competitive and favor us with your valued order at an early date. Stop. Empowerment in a very broad sense refers to increasing political, economical, educational, gender and spiritual sense of individuals of communities. Stop. When comes to women, it directly involves the traditional mindset of men towards the half-word. Stop. Despite the constitutional safeguards, rapid expansion of educational facilities and higher degree of self-awareness among modern women, the fact is that women across the globe is not treated properly in a dignified manner by the dominating gender. Stop. Women constitute roughly half of the population of the world and thus potentially half of its workforce. Stop. However, women in government in the modern era are underprivileged in most of the countries worldwide in contrast to men. Stop. As of October 2013, the global average of women in National Assembly was 21.5% and nearly 20 countries were having either head of state or head of the government stop. It is very interesting to note that the developing countries like Rwanda, Andorra, and Cuba lead this figure as 56.350 and 48.9% respectively. But the socio-economic status of women in these countries is not found satisfactory. A stop.